Hi everybody, thank you so much for watching today's video. Thank you so much for watching Broadsides of Sakshi. Today I'm gonna broad my side talking about on Raksha Bandhan. ठीक है, आज रक्षा बंधन है, so happy रक्षा बंधन to all of you. उन सभी भाइयों के लिए और सभी बहनों के लिए. I am not your बहन, मैं तुम्हारी बहन नहीं हूँ, but wish तो कर ही सकती हूँ. So yeah, happy रक्षा बंधन. No single memory of Raksha Bandhan with me, like the bestest. Wow, ये हमेशा मरते दम तक याद रहेगी वाली मेमोरी मेरे पास ऐसे कोई नहीं है. Because I have no one to tie पर राखी. बहुत strange है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा अजीब है कि you don't have a भाई to tie up a राखी. And I'm like, oh, yes. I have a bhai, but he lives in Australia, so we send a Rakhi. But इस time I think हम भूल गए हैं, और I think few of reasons हम भूल गए. I don't know about that. But what next? What's my day routine for this day? Is completely free. I am completely free. मतलब इस दिन पे ना मुझे वो गंदे, stupid, impatient, desperate Instagram DMs भी ना बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग लगते हैं, क्योंकि मैं इतनी फ्री रहती हूँ इस दिन में. मैं कुछ भी नहीं करती. लाइक माई डे स्टार्ट्स बाय वेकिंग अप लाइक अराउंड 9. आई टेक शावर लाइक अराउंड 12. आई एम वेयरिंग माई सिंपल घर के कपड़े, एंड या आई ईट माई लंच एंड स्लीप और बिंज वॉच समथिंग ऑन टीवी और ऑन फोन. यही है मेरी कहानी ऑन Raksha Bandhan. But what I feel on this day, throughout this day, is something different and will make you cry too. तो मतलब रोना नहीं, बट सुनना जरूर. Friends are like, yay, 2 weeks to go for Raksha Bandhan. 7 days to go for Raksha Bandhan. अरे यार, शॉपिंग रह गई है मेरी. 1 day to go. अरे तेरे पास पर्पल कलर की थोड़ी सी वॉयलेट और थोड़ी सी ऑरेंज वाली इयरिंग है क्या? I wanted to match on my neck. Staring at their happy faces, and I have no fantasies for tomorrow. I mean, for that day. It feels alone. I mean, on this day, I'm completely alone. There's no fantasies, there's no matching chudis, there's no matching dress shopping, there's no fantasy of doing this or that makeup, or there's no matching sandal over there to wear and to go and to visit and to just celebrate this beautiful day of brothers and sisters. So yeah, I am like this on this day. Every year I call my bhai who lives in Australia, and I say, this is what my conversation is. Hello Karthik, happy Raksha Bandhan. What to say next? कैसे हो? I'm passing this call to Purva. She wanted to wish. Yeah, to wish you. I don't know what to say after Happy Raksha Bandhan to a bhai. I mean, there's no tying a rakhi, there's no gift. I mean, gift or rakhi se zyada important hai this conversation. And this conversation is so boring, to be very honest. Yeah, mandatory, but boring calls. To say something after that. So it is what it is. सबसे ज़्यादा गुस्सा मुझे उन अंकल और आंटियों पे आता है जो मुझे मेरे व्हाट्सएप पे राखी के प्राइजेस भेजते हैं. प्लीज, इफ यू आर वॉचिंग मी, डोंट सेंड इट. आई हेट इट. ठीक है ना? इफ आई एम नॉट टाइंग अ राखी टू एनीबडी, आई एम नॉट गोना जस्ट प्रमोट योर राखीज टू एनीबडी कि भैया ले लो, बहुत अच्छे है. no, if I'm not, I'm gonna be like the selfish one, and I'm not gonna promote your Rakhi. I'm not gonna even buy one of them. So ठीक है ना, मेरा तो कोई वास्ता ही नहीं है कि खरीदूं। Ask me कि अब तुम इस सारी चीजों से मतलब क्या अच्छा ले रही हो? So yeah, it is only one thing that I love of this day because of Raksha Bandhan is Mama visiting यहाँ पे मेरे घर पे, and if he is not coming we go there, और जब हम वहाँ पे जाते तो बहुत मजे आते हैं। So yeah, when I see my mom celebrating this day with her भाई, it just feels like wow, मेरे भी लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ होता तो बहुत ही ज्यादा खूबसूरत होता। नहीं है तो भी ठीक है, but yeah, the best part is like mama being around us. Talking honestly about this, I always say this to my parents that I don't wanted to live this day. I wanted to skip this day because I wanted 364 or 365 in leap year days of my life, because on this day if I'm even existing or even not, no one literally cares. थोड़ी selfish वाली बात है ये, but still it is what it is. I feel so alone. I have no one to share this. Especially ये है कि I miss being this small little child, small little kid, or small little sister of someone elder than me, and that elder one should be a bhai. I wanted to clear that. And he's pampering me, he's giving me taplis, he's peeping into my phone and complaining of my late submissions and complaining about me being wrong at few points, or maybe not, just complaining randomly and dragging me on those situations जहाँ पे मेरी कोई गलती भी नहीं है. I मिस बीइंग दैट, जहाँ पे ये सारी मेरी फैंटेसीज है जो कि बहुत ही ज्यादा सिंपल है, बहुत ही ज्यादा ऑब्वियस है, बट देयर इज नो वे टू कंप्लीट देम. एंड टाइम पर राखी टू भगवान जी, सो ही इज देयर फॉर यू, बट फिर मतलब ऐसे दिल नहीं करता एंड आई डोंट डू इट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस मूवीज. या आई मीन हम आपके है कौन और हम साथ साथ हमें कितनी ज्यादा भाई बहनों का जो प्यार दिखाया गया है. बट स्टिल मेंशनिंग माई स्मॉल सिस्टर who is not a lesser than a boy, but she is there to cuddle me, to fight with me. And let me clear that we fight like two taporis on road. We fight like that. तो मतलब ऐसे कुछ ऐसे बहुत मिस करूंगी अपने, अगर कोई भाई होता तो वाली फीलिंग नहीं है. बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस डे जस्ट रिमेम्बर्स मी दैट लिसन साक्षी, you don't have anybody to celebrate this day. So yeah, I have that little small cameraman, spot boy, producer, director and my bhai and behan together with me, which is Purva. बहुत टाइम के बाद बातें कर ली and I'm feeling really nice that I can just move my camera. It is way more beyond imagining people having no mother or maybe no father or having no one of them around them. It's difficult. I mean, the orphan people. It's so difficult me to imagine this life having no mummy papa around you. Because they are the only and the first well-wishers of your life. So I'm not that capable of talking about that. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna go selfish by saying कि like कर देना, subscribe कर देना, and share this video as much as you can, because share especially to the one who is feeling like me, who is not having a boy or maybe not a behan or whatever it is. So yeah, happy Raksha Bandhan and also happy Friendships Day. अगर लास्ट का वीडियो नहीं देखा होगा तो वो भी देख लो. I've collaborated with my two besties. We played Who's Most Likely to and it was much more than a fun. Spread love. stay insane, and especially this one is for all of you. Just stay cute. It's important. Bye.